do you know what is the area and what is the boundary? Yes, so today we will learn about that. Now, here we have 4 shapes. In each of them, we have one breadth given. And these are all rhombuses. So, as we know, in rhombus, all the sides are equal. If this side is 4 centimeter, we can take it as x. So, this side would be x, this side would also be x, and this side would also be x. Here, if it is y, then y, y, and y. Here we take it as z, then the same here, z, z, and z. As the symbol it is. Now, 4 centimeters is one of its side. So the other sides would also be 4 centimeter. Therefore, its perimeter would be 16 centimeter. And the area would be 16 centimeter square. Why? 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter. Here in next also 4 meter multiplied by 4 meters, which gives us 16 meters square. That is the area. And 4 meter multiplied by 4, which is 16 meters, would give us the perimeter. Then 4 kilometer is one side. Therefore, 4 kilometer into 4 kilometer, which makes 4 kilometer square. This is the area and the perimeter. Sorry, 4, not 4. It would be 16 kilometer square, as 4 into 4 is 16. Then 4 kilometer into 4, which gives us 16 kilometers. So it was very simple. 16 kilometers is the perimeter here. Now, if I have a rectangle and I want to find the area and perimeter of it, what would be the area if one of its length, the length is x and the breadth is y? Why? The area would be xy, which is x multiplied by y. And if we want to find the perimeter, it would be 2 into x plus y in brackets. We can write this as, by the rules of expansion, 2x plus 2y, which makes x plus y plus y. Was it simple? Now, here I will tell you a story. Once upon a time, very back, there was a very happy and a very good king. He had a very big bed made for him by his carpenters Cheku and Anar. The bed was so beautiful that he said to his carpenters. First he said to Anar, I will give you as much as land which comes in 80 meters square. So as Cheku knew that the most of the land would be covered when he made a circle, so he made a circle which had an area 800 meters square. Then to Anar he said that I would give you so that much of gold wire which comes in the area of 8000 meters square. So Anar made a very long rectangle which had 80,000 as its length and 0.1 as its breadth. So can you imagine how much gold wire would the king had to give? Therefore the king painted. We can add this 80,000 plus 80,000, which gives us 16,000. Now 16,000 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. As we know, 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.2. So 16,000.2. This much was the thing, this much gold wire the king had to give. Now, here we have a triangle. What is the area of a triangle and what's the perimeter? The perimeter is sum of all sides, as we know. But in an equilateral triangle, If this is the length would be same. Therefore, L plus L plus L, which gives us 3L. Therefore, 3 multiplied by length is the perimeter. If I have the length 4, then here would be 4, here would be 4. 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is also 12. Now what about the area? Area is half base multiplied by height. If I have this line is called the base, the line which is down is known as the base, and the line vertically upwards is known as the height. Here, first we half the base. So, if the base is 9, then 4.5. 4.5. And if the height is 2, then 4.5 into 2, which gives us 9. So, the area would be 9, and the unit, which is very important, this was in a 2D shape. Now, here also I have a 2D shaped circle. What is the area and perimeter of a circle? Do you know about pi? What is pi? It is one number which extends and extends. The first 4 places are 3.1415. Then we have 926pi. Like that, the value of pi never ends. So, what is the perimeter and what is the area? Here, if I have the radius, this is the radius, and here I have the diameter. So, 2 into pi multiplied by r, or we can write it as d into pi, as 2 multiplied by radius gives us diameter. One more radius if I bring here, then this would also be my diameter. Therefore, pi into diameter, or 2 pi r. If the radius is given, then you can use this formula, and if the diameter is given, you will use this formula. So, for example, let's take the radius as 5. So, 2 pi into 5, which gives us 10 pi, which is approximately 31.41592. We can also give the answer directly in the value of pi. Then, next we can also do it by d multiplied by pi. Like this, if the diameter is given as 10, then the circumference or the boundary perimeter will be pi into d, 10 into pi, which gives us the boundary. Now, if I want the area of the circle, what is it? Pi multiplied by r multiplied by r, which gives us pi r square. For example, the radius is 4. Therefore, pi into 8. And if the radius is given as root 7, you would think it is very hard. But the formula is pi r square. And if in the question it is given pi is equal to 22 by 7, it is not exactly equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is a little greater, as pi is 3.1415 and 22 by 7 is about 3.1428. There is a difference of about 0.0013. Now, root 7 into root 7, which gives us 7. So, 7 and 7 cancel, and 22. Therefore, the area would be 22, and then the meters or centimeters or kilometers. Now, here we have a trapezium. In our next class, we will learn about the area of trapezium also. Thank you. Bye. If you like, please subscribe. We will be taking many interesting videos. Have a nice day.